Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add voice recording in Canva using phone. Now if you want to add a recording to this presentation right here, what you should do is to simply get out of Canva and open your app store. Then you should search here for voice recorder. After that, you can download any voice recorder that you need, and once you open the voice recorder, you will find here this red button. Just click on it, and after that you can simply go back to the presentation, talk about the presentation and about the slides, and after you finish, you can now have it on your mobile phone. And once you have it on your mobile phone, you can now simply click on uploads on the bottom right side right here. Then it will open here the section. You just have to click on upload files and go to audio, then click on your device right here. Once you click on your device, click on choose files, and after that you can simply search for the audio, upload it to Canva, and once you are done, you can now add it to your presentation in Canva on your phone. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.